Hey, what's up YouTube? So, here's the deal today. The object of the game is to try and install a spoiler on a Volkswagen Golf Mk6. Not just any spoiler. If you Google Volkswagen Golf Mk6 spoilers, you have very limited options. Zero, practically. I mean, the ones you glue onto the spoiler that already exists, yay. Okay, well, I am going to go for this bad boy. Yep. Very fast and the furious, because it is how I do. I've got my stuff, I guess, who cares? Yeah, so this is gonna be a project. Part of this terrifying process is the little tab here that you must take out. The next thing, we're gonna have to take down the entire rooftop, if not the entire thing, just this part, which means I at least have to get it to dip down enough, which means those things there must inevitably come down. I'm going to be doing this all night. Okay, so far, this is all I've done. I've gotten these two plastic hex nuts out, 10mm. I don't even know what size this is. Anyway, so basically all I have to do is get under this much of it. This is going to hang down. This is part of your panel to your lights back here to, you know, you can go there. But you'll just have to push that back up. And I need to get under here enough to where I can pierce through the top and make sure that I can at least get my hand up in there enough to tighten the bolts, and I should be good to go. If this all fails, I'm gonna have to go get some plastic plugs. Yep. Okay, so far I have all the measurements done, which is I think the hardest part. Now I'm getting to the point where I have to screw it. I'm not feeling too good about it, mostly because it's drilling into a decent car. Pretty good car. So you have your measurements. I went 8 inches from the back of this and 8 3/4 inches from this little nook. Same thing on the other side. Made sure I matched them and center. The top of the spoiler isn't hitting the trunk lid, 5th door, whatever. Now what I recommend is when you go to actually drill it, this is a suggestion by my dad, what you do is you take a nail, tap it, and then you want to use a small drill and then work out, because you don't want to accidentally screw a hole that's too big and have it, you know, get away from you, destroying your paint job and causing rust for the future. Now, I'm barely going to have enough room in this as it is, but I'm going to be able to access that and put a screw up and put some waterproofing on it, do all that fun stuff. It's about time I do this. I'm scared. Mr. Holmes, as soon as we are done, you are not going to remember a thing. The drilling has been completed. Now we're going to start putting the screws in the holes, just like so. Hopefully it will work. We have waterproofing so we can seal the screws, and we should have access to them, and we should be able to install the spoiler now perfectly. We'll see. Alright, the only thing I have to do now is put this piece back up. Yeah, that's all. Once you put that piece back up, it's not too bad. You see, just a little thrust. Thrust! Yeah. Anyway, I'll get to that. And so you get your hand up in there. You see how I got those screws? You want to make sure those are waterproofed. You don't want no goopy goops on the top of the car, but you don't want any waters on the inside. Anyway, you probably want to see what it looks like. I'm having a Victoria beer. Ruthie, go lagger. Cha-ching. Boom. There it is. That is the whole biz. And it is on there. And it looks, in my opinion, I like it. I love it. I've been sitting on this egg for like 6 months. The only thing left is some new rims. Because I'm Batman. Since you can't find anything like this on Google, maybe you can. If you can, send me a picture because I would love evidence that somebody else has done this before. I was all over Google. Nothing. Don't be scared of it. If you want it, go for it. I had no idea what I was doing, and I think that's why it took me 6 months to do this. Yeah, I bought it about 6 months ago. Anyway, if you have any questions, you can leave a comment in the space below. And heck, like and subscribe if you want more videos on my car or my truck or my motorcycle. I am planning on doing a lot more work on both, so if you want to see how they turn out or have any suggestions, I would love to hear it.